Do you enjoy receiving compliments from a girl?
Yeah, I feel proud when a babe says, "Oh, you're beautiful, handsome, you're cute." Whoa, hey,
Victor, you are blessed.
I feel very happy. I feel everything.
So, what is
I
the
enjoy
best
it.
compliment you've ever received from a girl?
It's a wonder I was dressed to kill the way when we were kids used to say. And the babe saw me and was like, "Wow, you're dressed to kill. You really look like an angel." I was like,
So you
"It's
can't forget
irrelevant."
this
No,
compliment.
no, no. I still remember that babe. Yeah, I like it.
It's the best compliment I've ever received. I think it was online. Someone told me that, yeah, you guy, you kill me every time I see you.